Hello friends and welcome to the video. My name is Megan and this channel is all about my solo travels around Australia, living out of my 2004 Nissan X-Trail and my mission to visit all the lighthouses on the mainland of Australia as well as other fabulous places I find along the way. In today's video, the adventure continues. Well, night is approaching. It's getting dark, it's raining, it's kind of miserable. I've even got the heater on, would you believe it, even though I'm in Queensland, and I haven't yet found a place to sleep tonight, so I'm heading for a roadside area that I spotted in Wiki Camps, and I've got my fingers crossed that it's going to be okay. Plan B is backtracking, and I don't particularly want to backtrack. I want to keep moving in the direction I'm going. So fingers crossed, plan A is okay. I'm glad I have got a plan B, which I have checked out, and there's even a plan C, which is to go back to where I was last night, but that's going to take a while and I don't like driving at night. Anyway, fingers crossed for plan A. Got 30 kilometres to go, and it's going to be pretty much full dark by the time I get there, so I'm very hopeful. It's pretty miserable, as you can see. And yeah, pretty bleak. It's just pine plantations either side of me, and I have been for kilometres and kilometres, so fingers crossed for plan
A. Tell me all your dreams align.
Well, I found a stopping place for the night, and it's pitch black, but it's not even 7 p.m. There's just no twilight up here in Queensland. It's amazing. I'm used to really long, drawn-out twilights from where I'm from. It just gets dark like clunk. Anyway, plan A didn't work out, and plan B and C weren't options, and so I went on and I found plan D, and I'm actually at a boat ramp. And I've pulled up in the dark and in the rain, and I was so lucky though, the rain just stopped for long enough for me to get my window covers up, and I got set up and I can hear the rain pitter-pattering just gently now. But I'm at a boat ramp and it's going to be the most amazing view in the morning. I can't wait to see it. Anyway, I'm going to have some dinner and watch TV on my phone. Good night. Well, good morning. I have woken up this morning in the most beautiful spot, the Boonaroo Point Great Sandy Straits boat ramp here. I pulled up here last night in the dark and in the driving rain. Following Google Maps, I thought a boat ramp would be a safe place to go, and I didn't park there. I've just parked there out of the wind to make my tea, but I parked over there and listened to the waves lap here at the bank at high tide. It was beautiful, and I knew when I woke up this morning it was going to be spectacular. It's a shame it's not sunny, but beautiful nonetheless. And looking out there, that is Fraser Island, or Kagari. It's so close here. And look what I found tucked behind the trees when I woke up. Oops, sorry, I didn't see it, but thank you so much for your hospitality. So this morning I'm going to make my cup of tea, which I've already done. I'm going to make some coffee for the road, and then I'm going to be heading into Maryborough, which is the next town up, and I'm going to do some washing there this morning. But first, enjoy my tea and this peaceful morning. G'day guys, this is Megan from the future. I was editing this video and I've been debating with myself whether I should tell the full story, because there is a very good reason that I had to go and do some washing when I got to Maryborough. And that reason was that when I woke up in the morning at the boat ramp, I was scrambling to do my, because when you wake up in the morning, I don't know about you, but I'm usually busting to do wheeze, and there wasn't any facilities there, so I used my trusty wee jar, which is this guy. It's I guess it's a big drink bottle, but it's got a wide mouth and it seals really tight. And anyway, that wide mouth is supposed to fit over all the apparatus. And on this particular morning, I was rushing a bit, and as you can imagine, there's not a lot of room back there. So the logistics of it is basically I'm on hands and knees positioning the drink bottle. Gosh, drink bottle, please don't call it that. Positioning the wee jug in the right place and hoping for the best. And the best was not the best on this particular morning, and I missed. And so as I'm kneeling on my bed, when I missed, it wet all my bed sheets, and it was a bit of a disaster. Very embarrassing disaster. I'm so embarrassed. So there was a very good reason why I had to find a laundrette and do the washing. Yeah, so I've admitted that. And one of the solutions that came to light from that was actually a really good one. I found myself thinking about, oh, gee, wouldn't it be great if I had one of those sort of pads that they give you in hospital and stuff, you know, that go underneath the patients. And I found them in Bunnings, of all places. Bunnings is a hardware chain here in Australia, and they're called puppy training pads. Absolutely incredible. So what they are, I'm just digging one out. They're plastic backed absorbent sheets, and they've got silica gel in them, like nappies, I guess. So they're really absorbent. So anyway, after that, I keep one of these handy, and I reuse them over and over again. And you know what? Since I've started putting these down first over my bed sheets, so it's really quite big. I don't see. So I spread that out and then make sure that I'm positioned on top of it. And ever since I've started using them, I haven't had an accident since. So, but it's peace of mind. But isn't that funny? I thought I better admit to it. But it was an amazing solution. So I don't know if that will help anyone else out there, any other ladies who are having to do all of their business in their car. But that's been a lifesaver for me. So I thought I'd just share that. So anyway, let's go on with the video. It's definitely low tide here this morning. But look, a baby rainbow, a little rainbow. I guess that means rain is coming, but isn't that gorgeous? It also means there's sun. I'd love some sun this morning. I've got a few things I need to dry out. Wow, that is beautiful. What a great start. There's my cup of tea. I've walked out to the exposed boat ramp. That's where I slept last night. Hi guys, I'm in a park in Maryborough where I've just stopped to do some maintenance. I've got my solar panel out and I'm airing out my airbed, just giving it a little rinse, and it's drying there. I've had some lunch here. It's a beautiful park, and I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, what the heck is this tree? I've never seen anything like it. It's got these fruits hanging from vines just coming out of the tree. It's just spectacular. Anyway, I used Google Lens for the first time for something like this. I usually just use it to open QR codes, but it says it's an African sausage tree. It's a big tree and it looks fantastic. And here's one on the ground. Oh, they're really hard and woody. African sausage tree. Wow. Say, I am my own hero. I am so proud of myself. I just fixed my little air compressor. I took it to pieces and I found where the switch was stuck. Lucky it was only the switch, and I fixed it. I'm so proud of myself, and it works. And I've just tested it on the tyres. Woohoo! So happy about that. What else I'm proud of? I'm proud that I had everything I needed. I had little tiny screwdrivers and a little magnet, and I had big screwdriver, and I had the confidence to do it, and I'm really happy with myself. So proud of myself. I feel I can cope with anything. I'm in Queen's Park in Maryborough. It is just gorgeous here, and they've got the most wonderful Anzac Memorial here. There's speaking, you can do an audio tour, and there's stories. I've just stood and listened to them, but look at this tree. It's an incredible tree. Wow. Look at this tree. It's just one tree. All these little, all these little paths through it. Wow. There's lots of really historic buildings here in Maryborough, and lots of the houses are traditional Queenslanders with big verandas going all the way around, and they look really pretty. They've got lots of lattice work on the outside. This is just a gorgeous park. Looks like it's got a little mini railway that goes through, but look at this tree again. That's just one tree, guys. Wow. There's these fabulous murals here. This one's dedicated to the ladies of the exchange, because the first telephone exchange in Australia was opened in Maryborough, and that was in 1882. And this mural over here, it's called Our World, and this is dedicated to the governor's wife Mary, who died, and he named this area Maryborough after her, and the Mary River. Bit of info there. Pretty is this? This is the Mary River right next to Queen's Park. It's got the railway, the courthouse, other old buildings. It's just gorgeous. It's just really picturesque with these yachts just moored here. That Maryborough also has a history of building ships for the Navy. This park is saying how ships were built and launched into the Mary River here just upstream from where we are now. The old buildings are amazing. Yeah, this is the Mary River. Come down closer. Very picturesque. Here in Maryborough is enormous. I've been wandering for ages, and it's just beautiful. And look, I found this gorgeous pond. The water lilies are closing up for the day. It's about 5 o'clock. There's a little waterfall. It's just so pretty and so peaceful. There's no one else here. It's just so gorgeous. I'm looking for wildlife. In Brisbane, near the water, I saw lots of water dragons in the botanical gardens. But don't know if they're around here. And last night driving in this area, I saw heaps of cane toads. Beautiful lilies. Next to the pond here is a bush chapel, an open air chapel. It's gorgeous. Banana trees, a huge old fig tree. Wow. It's just magnificent. Palm trees. I'm going to head back to the car now, and I found a car park especially for RVs and campers. So I'm going to spend the night there tonight.